The latest Federal Reserve snapshot finds economic activity expanded moderately in late April and early May nationwide. Dallas was actually the exception, where it says economic activity sped up. Manufacturing shifting into high gear, with more than half the districts reporting a pickup and one-third classifying activity as strong. Rising goods production led to higher freight volumes for transportation firms. However, overall consumer spending was characterized as soft. In banking, loan demand ticked higher with increased competition, leading to higher deposit rates. Home building and home sales increased modestly. Some contacts overall noting concerns about the uncertainty of international trade policy. But near-term growth outlooks, they say, remain upbeat. Employment and wages. Employment at a modest to moderate rate in most districts. Labor markets tight across the country, with continued reports of difficulties filling jobs across a wide spectrum of skill levels, and shortages in particular of qualified workers, including truck drivers, carpenters, electricians, and information technology professionals. Many firms, of course, responding to all of that by the talent shortages, if you will, increasing wages and compensation packages. But overall, the Fed is saying that wage pressures in the aggregate remain modest. Prices rising moderately in most districts, with several reports of rising materials costs for steel, aluminum, oil, and oil derivatives. Some districts also saying their retail contacts were, in fact, more able to pass along price increases to customers than the past. A couple of overall anecdotes. Bankers in Cleveland are reporting that many consumers have yet to spend their tax refund checks. And finally, back to that tight labor market, a couple of anecdotes. In Richmond, the shortage of truck drivers actually led to firms turning away business and increased demand for rail services. And listen to this, guys, in St. Louis, some firms are actually relaxing drug testing standards and restrictions on hiring felons to ease labor shortages.
Hey there, thanks for checking out CNBC on YouTube. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on all of the day's biggest stories. You can also click on any of the videos around me to watch the latest from CNBC. Thanks for watching.